Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys on how to set up this Echo Show chain. So up to now in 2021, this is the only Echo Show that has Smart Motion and Alexa. And as you can see here, it's bigger than the Echo Show 5, like 4 times, and you actually can turn the motion to the right or to the left, or you can tilt it down or tilt it up like this. All right, and the power is connected behind in the bottom. As now I'm gonna turn this Echo Show on and show you how to set it up. So here, let's connect the power, and here we go. So normally for the first time when you unbox the device and connect the device to the power, this is the screen you should see. So on the very first step, you can select your language. Let's do English.
Hello, ready for setup.
First, it's gonna ask you to connect the Wi-Fi. All right, enter the Wi-Fi password. Click on done. This is connect. So on the next step, it would ask you for your Amazon account, the email, and the password. All right, after you enter it, you click on sign in button. It's saying registering, and then continue. All right, you should select the time zone. You can either enter your address or you can do a skip. And select a room for it, like in the kitchen. Give it a name, click on done. Here we go. This is the feature that I like very much. Here you can select the album that is displayed on the background on the Echo Show. So normally you can select from your Amazon photo account, or you can select based on seasonal or nature. So here I would interesting on the seasonal. All right. Echo Show can help you monitor your home. So enable, all set, done. So here's the important thing. It will ask you if your Echo Show is placed on an island or on against a wall or in a corner. So let's do against a wall. Preview. So it's starting previewing the motion. Alright, if everything is all set, you click on the save button. And click on next. The default value should be good. Here, this is a new feature. If you want to share your network to the device at home, you can do so. Click on continue. All right, this is just the first time, one-time screen. You can just select as you want. Now here we go. You can see the background image starting showing up. All right, now let's test the motion feature. Alexa, what time is it? You see, it will
The
listen.
time is 12:31 a.m.
Yep, it will listen to your voice and deciding where you are, and it would turn the screen toward your face. Let's do it. Alexa, what time is it? Yep, it's working.
The time is 12:31 a.m.
Alexa, announce good morning.
Announcing.
Good morning. There's a feature that is very cool on this Echo Show, that you can view the camera directly from your phone. So in order to do so, you have to enable this option first. You go to setting, you select the camera option. So here you make sure the home monitor toggle is on, and then when it's on, right, on the phone you have your Alexa, Amazon Alexa application. You go to device, you go to cameras, here camera, and select the My Echo Show, and here we go. You can now on here you can control the yep, wow, it's very cool. Yay. And of course, when you connecting to the live camera, you can turn on a speaker or mute. Hello. Yep. So I think there's still some issue, but at least it's working. So yep, that is it on my video today. So thank you again for watching my video. So hope you guys have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.